Welcome to the legendary French Riviera, home to some of the most breathtaking coastlines on Earth as seen from the heavens. A timeless romance for travelers worldwide. This is a sanctuary of pure azure light. Our flight begins in Nice, the beating heart and unofficial capital of this majestic coast. The perfect, sweeping crescent of its beachfront, contrasted against the warm, sun-kissed terracotta roofs, instantly reveals why this city has been the ultimate muse for legendary artists for centuries. Catching the coastal breeze westward, we encounter the historic fortress city of Antibes, where ancient stone ramparts stand guard over the Mediterranean. This old town, so deeply loved by Pablo Picasso, reveals its true grandeur when viewed from the sky. The striking contrast between the fortified walls that withstood centuries of fierce waves and the peaceful town sheltered behind them feels entirely cinematic. Now, we turn our camera inland toward the rolling green hills. Perched precariously like an eagle's nest on a high rocky cliff is St. Paul de Vence. This fortified medieval town, with its perfectly preserved ramparts and ancient towers, has long been a sacred haven for artistic masterminds like Marc Chagall. The mysterious silhouette of medieval stone surrounded by lush forests presents a magical vision exclusive to the skies of the Riviera. Returning to the waterfront, we soar over Cannes, the glittering capital of cinema and timeless glamour. It is world-renowned for hosting the prestigious Cannes Film Festival every May. During the festival, top international stars and filmmakers gather here. Lined with palm trees and sandy Mediterranean beaches on one side, and high-end luxury boutiques and historic five-star hotels like the Intercontinental Carlton on the other. It represents the pinnacle of a high-end resort destination. Flying further west into Saint-Raphaël, the scenery shifts completely. The fiery red volcanic rock cliffs of the Estral Massif crashing into the turquoise waters create a jaw-dropping visual masterpiece. And rising solitary right out of the sea is the enchanted Île d'Or, the Island of Gold. Its lonely medieval tower built upon red rocks glows golden in the setting sun, completing a breathtaking drama born of natural wonder and human imagination. Next, we float over the sun-soaked harbor of Saint-Tropez, the trendiest playground on the Riviera. Once a quiet, unassuming fishing village, it transformed into an international symbol of luxury, celebrity culture, and vibrant nightlife. Leaving the shore behind, we rocket back up into the clouds to witness a true medieval miracle. Suspended 427 meters high on a sheer precipice is Èze Village. Hanging between the clouds like the kingdom of the gods, this ancient village commands a dizzying look down at jagged cliffs meeting an impossibly blue sea. Witnessing the labyrinth of narrow stone alleys forming a massive fortress from the sky fills the soul with deep reverence for human resilience and architectural triumph. A majestic peninsula stretches far out into the ocean. Welcome to Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, an exclusive paradise treasured by Europe's wealthiest elites and royalty. Hidden amidst dense pine forests, its secretive megamansions project an unparalleled level of prestige completely invisible from the ground. At the crown of this peninsula sits the spectacular Villa Ephrussi de Rothschild. Built by a baroness of the Rothschild dynasty, this rose-pink palace reveals its ultimate artistic symmetry when viewed from the heavens. Its 9 themed gardens, inspired by different cultures from around the world, unfold geometrically toward the sea, representing perhaps the most luxurious and beautiful paradise ever created by human hands. Our long flight draws to its magnificent close in Menton, the final French town before the Italian border, captured in the warm embrace of twilight. Famous for its sun-ripened lemons, Menton's old town features layers of yellow and pink pastel buildings that look like a classic storybook brought to life. As the Mediterranean sun sinks below the distant horizon, the sunset over Menton pins the warmest and most romantic final chapter to our journey. From the vibrant energy of Riviera and the dizzying heights of Èze, to the grand symmetry of the Rothschild Gardens and the serene twilight of Menton, the skies of the French Riviera have revealed every ounce of earthly beauty. A magnificent coast loved through the ages, destined to shine forever. This Azure Paradise will always be here, waiting for your return.